Hold me close, look me dead in my eyes, till the day that I die. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive. Fell in love, but it left me lonely. Tried to trust, but it burned me slowly.
It's the most important part of the celebration we are doing. No, yung pagpapalitan ninyo mamaya ng pagmamahalan, pangako ng pagmamahalan sa harap ng dambana ng Diyos.
Sinabi ng lalaki, "Sa wakas, narito ang isang tulad ko, laman ng aking laman, buto ng aking buto. Babae ang siyang itatawag sa kanya, sapagkat sa lalaki nagmula siya."
At sinabi, dahil dito iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa.
I'm afraid of and everything inside.
Mary, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Aldri na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang sa kanya? Aldri.
Yes, Father.
Our story was never the typical one. It wasn't love at first sight. There were no sparks flying the moment we met. No instant certainty that you were the one.
Pag tinatanong ko ng tao kung si Mary na ba, lagi ko sagot, hindi pa. Pero habang tumatagal, na-realize ko na siya na, parang napoprove niya sa akin.
Found her.
What we have is something that grew quietly, slowly, and beautifully. The kind of love that took its time to find its way, to deepen, and to feel like home. Parang mas ano pala ako sa side na to. Feel ko. Oo, parang... ...2019, almost 6 years.
Di kami maano sa, siguro mga 5 years na. O, 6.
Hindi kami showy, pero alam namin sa isa't isa na we love each other. Ano ba? Hindi kami expressive. Pero yun, pag kaming dalawa lang, napag-uusapan naman namin lahat.
Hindi kasi ako expressive sa kanya. Tsaka hindi kami sweet. Parang more on business partner kami.
Ano siya, goal-oriented siya. Parang pag may gusto siya, gagawin niya talaga to get it. Parang nahahawa ko sa kanya. Like, hindi siya, we grow together na, paano ba? Like sa work, parang mas nagko-complement kami. Kasi natutulungan kami mag-work together. Tapos hindi kami puro emotion or ano din, business partners din kami. Ganyan. Oo, nagko-complement.
Matyaga siya. Sobrang tiyaga niya na. Kasi ako, hindi ako matyaga Nagko-compliment kami. Yung mga kainaan ko, siya nagpupuno.
I can see my future with him. 2 is better than 1. Parang ganon. Sa lahat ng bagay. Parang siya yung nakikita kong pangtuko. I mean, kaming dalawa.
was all about emotion. Yung kilig, yung saya. Pero nung dumating si Mary, nag-iba yung definition mo ng love. Hindi na lang feelings, kundi commitment. Yung tipong kahit mahirap, pipiliin mo pa rin si Mary araw-araw.
Bye-bye, bye!
For you, from the bride.
Thank you.
May story dyan, basta.
Hindi kasi niloko ko si Mary, yung hashtag namin. Land Cruiser na sana. Kaya lang naging naging barong, naging... Pero biro ko lang sa kanya yun, kasi kaya namin makuha yan, magkasama. Thank you, Mary.
Watching you got married today fills my heart with pride, joy, and maybe just a few happy tears. It feels like just yesterday. You were taking your few steps, and now you're walking into a whole new life with the love of your life.
Sa wakas, tayo ay narito na sa tagpong ito. Alam po, Aldri at Happy, kayo ay dumaan sa maraming pagpaplano, preparasyon, change of plan, stress.
Ama namin, kami po ay inyong loobing magkaisa ng kaloob at damdamin. Mula ngayon sa kaginhawaan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
So gather round, let's eat and drink. Toast to things our whole hearts mean. I'm not scared of giving myself away. I wanna hold you closer. I wanna build some kind of home. I wanna real love. I want real love. I want it all or nothing. I wanna live for something. I want real love. I want real love.
Sabi lang niya sa akin, pre, may papakita ko sa'yo. Ilang araw ko na nakakausap, pero ganyan-ganyan. So, doon pa lang, kumbaga, pinagtatanggol na niya agad. Hindi ko pa nga nakikita. So, doon pa lang, sabi ko sa kanya, siya na yun.
Life is a journey and never a destination. You have now entered a new chapter of your life, which is a marriage life. So it's an everyday work in progress. So it never stops here.
As you start a new chapter, but just take it as an adventure and new discovery. On your relationship as an individual. Never perfect your married life. Kasi wala naman talagang perfect in life. Just go with the flow.
As you tread on this new journey together, remember to cherish one another, communicate openly, and always find time to have fun together. I wish you both a lifetime of love and happiness.
I wanna hold you closer. I wanna build some kind of home. I want real love. I want real love. I want it all or nothing. I wanna live for something. I want real love. I want real love.
You may be soft-spoken, but your heart speaks volumes.
You've always made me proud, not because of loud achievements, but because of the quiet, consistent way you live your life with integrity and compassion.
For both of you together, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, till death do you part. And what I wanted immediately is I can see an apo ASAP. Yun lang.
Thank you to everyone for your support sa pagmamahal niyo sa amin. Hindi namin ito malilimutan. Thank you.
Thank you, nakita ko kayo lahat na pangit man yung weather. Salamat sa inyo. Pamilya ko, pinili ko itong venue para sa atin talaga kasi minsan lang mangyari yun eh. Usually kasi nakita kong wedding, kikita kami dun sa simbahan. Dito gusto ko parang bakasyon lang, relax lang. Ayaw ko kasi kabahan na masyado formal.
Baby, won't you come around? I've been looking for some love. The kind I always see.
Ito, walang ChatGPT. Galing sa puso ko. Sa lahat ng pati ng wedding, ito yung pinakamahirap para sa akin. Kasi ito yung hindi mo ako pwede tulungan. Kaya na-realize ko, salamat sa iyo kasi tinutulungan mo ako sa lahat ng bagay.
Baby, won't you come on down? Let me take you out tonight. I know this place downtown. We can have some natural wine.
Salamat dahil naniniwala ka sa visions ko. Yun yung baon ko everyday. Hinagalingan ko dahil sa'yo. Alam ko may naniniwala sa akin, kahit isang tao.
Kailangan sa mag-asawa meron kayong love, respect, and trust. At syempre, kailangan ay center nyo lagi ay si Jesus Christ sa buhay nyo.
It was in the ordinary days that love quietly settled in our conversations, in shared laughter, in moments of silence, and even in small disagreements. Somewhere between all that, my heart began to understand what love truly means. You are my calm after every storm, my steady hand when life feels uncertain, and my reminder that love doesn't need to be loud to be strong.
'Cause I want all of the good and the bad and the ugly. I just want it all with you, all with you. 'Cause I want all.
Thank you for loving me in the most genuine way, without pressure, without perfection, without rush. Thank you for choosing me, for growing with me, and for showing me that real love isn't about grand gestures, but about staying, listening, and trying every single day.
Pangako ko sa'yo, aalagaan ko yung sarili ko para mas sumaba pa yung pagsasama natin. Saka kung i-bless tayo ng anak, mas maalagaan ko kayo ng mas matagal. I love you, Mary.
Thank you.
Mary, kailan may di kita pagtataksilan
Isuot mo at pagkaingatan ang singsing na ito.
na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan.
Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng
ng
Espiritu
Espiritu
Santo.
Santo.
Amen.
Amen.
Audrey, maaari mo nang halikan si Mary na iyong asawa.
Naisip ko kung dumating yung panahon na maging successful ako, sure ako dahil yun nasa tabi kita. Sobrang salamat sa iyo na naayos mo yung buhay ko.
Our story may not have started with fireworks, but it burns with a warmth that never fades. And that to me is far more beautiful. I love you, Audrey, quietly, deeply, endlessly.